I got the baby pigeons flying today. The two little grizzles. There it is. This blue grizzle. She's an older one from last year. Looks kind of whitish blue. And then these other two are the young ones. So right there, they're flying. One went all the way to the neighbor's roof over there, and then one went up to the tree there with this white or blue grizzle right here. And I thought they got attacked by the hawk, but I guess not. So now they're gonna go down to the landing board right there, and then they will try to find their way in. They know how to get in. It's just a matter of time. So we'll see how they do. This one is a really good flyer. All my grizzles are good flyers. They fly really high up in the air, and they're not heavy. Grizzles are not that heavy. They're considered blue and white. The heavy ones are the black and the reds. Yep, it's right there. There are two little baby ones. They're flying out today. Oh, there it is. One's going up there. There it is. He's coming down. Alright, he's coming down. Oh, he's going up there. Going up there, going down, going up, going down. Well, oh, they're up in the tree. That's not good. That's not good. Where's the other one? I think it must have went down there. Well, we'll put more pigeons out next time, and we'll see how they do this year.